Hi, I'm Phil Condry with Virginia Abrasives, your one-stop shop for cutting, finishing, service preparation, and floor care products and solutions for professionals and consumers. Today I'm going to share with you why the new Virginia Abrasives VA CD3 core drill is a must-have for your rental store. This drill is perfect for electricians, plumbers, and masonry contractors. The CD3 is a 3-speed handheld core drill that can operate up to a 3-inch bit and up to a 6-inch bit while rig mounted. Secondly, the 3-speed gearbox allows the operator to select the best speed for the job and the particular size bit that you're using. This core drill also features a mechanical clutch to protect the machine and operator from any sudden binding of the bit in the material. This drill includes 2 bubble levels to ensure accurate alignment, a quick disconnect for guard and hose connection, a waterproof GFI connection, a front handle that rotates and positions 360 degrees, and a shoulder rest for additional control and pushing power. Let's take a minute to see this quality piece of equipment in action. Changing to 3rd speed. The 3-speed core drill is in stock and available for immediate shipment. Virginia Abrasives offers same-day shipping, no minimum, free freight, yes, free freight on equipment. If you are a rental store and would like additional information on this 3-speed core drill, please call us at 1-800-446-1805 to speak with one of our customer service representatives. If you are a contractor or consumer, contact us at 1-800-446-1805 and we will put you in touch with one of our rental equipment dealers in your area.